Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into how to create a fast UDP request server and seamlessly use it with the SocksIP Tunnel VPN. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it easy to set up and secure your internet connection for enhanced speed and privacy. So let's get started. Step 1. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type UDP and slow DNS files and press enter. From the search results, find the official website of the UDP custom site and click on it to proceed. This is where we'll begin setting up your UDP request server. Step 2. Once you're on the home page, locate the three-line menu icon, usually found in the top left or right corner. Click on this menu to expand it. Here, you'll find several options to choose from. This navigation is crucial for finding the right setup. Step 3. Next, select the UDP server menu from the list. Under this menu, you'll see a submenu titled UDP Request Server. Click on it to continue. This step will take you to the section where you can create your server account. Step 4. On the next page, you'll encounter an account creation form. Fill in the required fields, including your username and password. After entering the necessary details, click the Create Account button. This action initiates the creation of your UDP request server, which should only take a few seconds. Step 5. Once your server is created, you will see all the relevant details displayed on your screen. Be sure to copy your username, password, and IP address. These details are essential for the next steps. Once copied, return to the home screen of the app. Step 6. Now, head over to the Play Store and download the SocksIP Tunnel VPN application. After the installation is complete, launch the app. Inside the app, tap on the gear icon to access the settings. Here, you need to select UDP Request from the Tunnel Type section. Proceed by clicking on Configure UDP Request and enter the UDP Request Server details you just created. Once everything is entered correctly, save your setting. Step 7. With all your configurations complete, it's time to activate your VPN. Simply click on the Start button to connect the VPN. Once connected, your internet traffic will be routed through the newly created UDP Request Server, providing you with faster speeds and enhanced security. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully created a fast UDP request server and integrated it with SocksIP Tunnel VPN. This setup ensures a secure and speedy browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.